Welcome to a look at motorcycle camping along the Similkameen River in BC. Enjoy a short ride and some peaceful moments as well as a few giggles as we share our setup with you. We are about to ride the Coquihalla to the connector to the 5A along by Allison Lake to Princeton and then on to Headley for the night. So we just got to Gold Mountain Campground and we are about to set our hammocks up and set up our camp. Put the sleeping bag in gear. Best part, or we use a sleeping bag like a sheet. And of course, I always have an extra blanket or two because that's just me. This is going to be just a lovely night to camp. So we're going to start a fire pretty quickly and we've got everything kind of set up for now. Bikes are all, bug screens all cleaned off, and both hammocks are set up. Jonathan prefers to use an extra line, and we have our bug light and our bug buzzer as well. He has his hammock, and we use these little green mats for getting in and out of the hammocks, and they also are little yoga mats cut in half. Works really well. And then you fold them up and put them underneath your top bag, and it stops a little bit of the scratching. So under here, before we get into our hammock later on, it's really quite roomy and it has an underpad, so it's very warm. And we have these little gear hammocks underneath, so it makes a great way to store your bike gear. Keeps it off the ground, keeps your boots off the ground. You don't have to worry about bugs. Always give it a little spray with some bug repellent to keep the ticks and things off. And got the helmet cleaned off and ready. And my towel to take a shower or go for a swim later sits right there. I like my bug light right there. That's a personal thing. And Jonathan's gonna see if he can flip himself over in another little hammock storage. It works great as a seat too. So we always carry a couple of them. And then we'll get set up with our cooking and everything later. And I got a new pillow to try, one of those Technology ones, so I can't wait to do that. And there, he's all set up now. Here we go. We're gonna go for a little walk down to the river. So there's a great little pathway right to the river. Here we are, we just got a fire going and we're gonna get ready for cooking some dinner. But first of all, we got the headsets charged, all the cooking supplies. I always carry kind of a little mat, so I have a nice clean surface area. And we have our water filtration kits and all the fun stuff, but I don't really have to use that today because we have good drinking water here, so that is kind of a real bonus. We have one of these folding water pails, which are great for washing dishes or carrying your water. And we have all sorts of nice little goodies, always more than what we actually need. Even carry laundry soap with me and the biodegradable
sink suds.
Yeah, sink suds they're called. Pretty cool. A lot of this stuff you can get off of Amazon, and of course for washing up the dishes after, and always my soap. Anyway, we're gonna get started with dinner and have a nice relaxing evening. We got these snap fold bowls, which are absolutely fabulous because you can have steak dinners, you can have oatmeal, anything you like, and they kind of work really well. And this time I brought myself a little cutting board with my knife. Will make a great addition to everything and just makes for cutting up the vegetables nice and simple and easy. Even got the marshmallows and the chocolate melted.
She's a pro.
Good.
She even got a sticks.
Potatoes are cooking by the fire. Nice and dark. But that's what camping is about.
Yummy.
This is such a good little stove. This one is so quick burning, efficient, and it's stable.
Got a couple steaks, coffee.
Very happy with our camping yummy meal. And happiest place of a man, food.
Food, hot potatoes.
Thank you, fire. Thank you for watching as the sun sets on this stunning valley. We are about to tuck into our hammocks for a comfortable and great night's sleep. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you along the road.